Hello friends, let's crochet together a little broccoli. We need yarn-knot jeans, light green and dark green. And the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring and 9 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now we make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we also make 9 single crochets, but just for the back side of the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. And now we make 3 rounds without changes for 9 single crochets. 7, 8, 9. And now we've made 5 rounds. In the 6th round we make 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 increases. The first increase, the second, and the third. And now we have 12 stitches in the round. In the next round we make 1 increase and 1 single crochet, increase, a single crochet, and repeat till the end of the round. Increase, a single crochet. And now we have 18 stitches. In the next round we make 18 single crochets, but just for the back side of the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 18, a slip stitch, a chain. And in the next round we make without changes 18 single crochets for the both sides of the loops. 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, a slip stitch, a chain. In the next round we make 1 decrease and 1 single crochet just for the back side of the loops. Make a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease for the back sides, a single crochet, decrease, a single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. And now it's time to add fiber fill, and let's make the last round. We make 6 decreases. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Leave the long end of the thread, take a needle and close the hole for the back sides of the loops of the last round. Usually we make it for the front sides and now for the back. Like this. And fix the thread between stitches and hide inside the toy. And now let's make this part. Take the dark thread and fix it. And now we make a single crochet, a chain, and again in the same loop a single crochet, a chain, and again in the same loop a single crochet, a chain. So we make a single crochet and a chain for 3 times. In the next loop a single crochet, a chain in the same loop, a single crochet, a chain, and again a single crochet, a chain. The next loop, 1, 2, 3. In the next loop, 1, 2, 3, and go on till the end of the round. 1, 2, 3. Then we make one more chain and go to the next round of 3 loops. One single crochet, a chain in the same loop, single crochet, a chain in the same loop, a single crochet, a chain, and go a single crochet, a chain, again, and one more time. In the next loop, a single crochet, a chain for 3 times, and repeat till the end of this round of 3 loops. And now we go to the 3rd round of 3 loops and repeat one single crochet, a chain, a single crochet, a chain, a single crochet, a chain. In the next loop, a single crochet, a chain, a single crochet, a chain, a single crochet, a chain, and repeat in each loop. In the end, leave the long end of the thread, take a needle, fix between the stitches for several times, and hide the threads inside the toy. And we've made such a cute broccoli. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.